If you've noticed some play in your steering and a bit of a wobble when you're driving, ball joints may be something that you need to maintenance, and this DV8 Offroad replacement ball joint kit for Dana 30 and Dana 44s will be a good kit to do it for your 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Now, ball joints are one of those wear and tear items that eventually needs to be replaced and can create a loose or a wobbly feeling in your steering system. Now, ball joints are one of those wear and tear parts that eventually need to be replaced and can create a loose or a wobbly ride that you can feel in your steering. Now, it tends to happen over time, but can be accelerated from larger wheels and tires, so getting a more heavy-duty set than factory can really extend that life and tighten up the steering knuckles for a better ride, and this set by DV8 will do just that. Now, these will be an upgraded replacement to factory for the JK owner who doesn't necessarily want to break the bank on a super high-performance application, but does want a reliable set for daily driving and off-roading situations. Now, this will feature a complete kit with all 4 ball joints for the front that will work with either your Dana 30 front axle or Dana 44, so essentially all non-Rubicon and Rubicon models. Now, what sets this apart from the standard ball joint is the way that they're designed with a greasable feature to allow maintenance over time, which will increase the lifespan of the ball joints. Now, the grooves on the housing will also be a bit closer together, offering some more grip out of the ball joint to prevent any movement or turning over time. Now, all of that will allow a tightened fitment to reduce any excessive movement for more even tire wear and better drivability. Now, these will be heavy-duty joints, so you can expect a solid construction with chromoly steel studs, which have increased strength over standard steel. Now, the housing is going to have a steel construction and include a bright green finish on top that will stand out on the knuckle for a pop of subtle style. This will also be completely bolt-on, although this will be a little bit more challenging compared to most mods. You won't have to do any modification to the knuckle, which is definitely a plus there. Now, these will come in at about $225, which is pretty affordable for a set of heavy-duty ball joints. Now, what I like about this set is that it's going to offer you all of the good basics out of a heavy-duty ball joint for a solid setup that's really tailored for on and off-road driving, without all the extra bells and whistles that you may not need for your setup. Now, that will keep it affordable and straightforward, making this a great option for your JK. Now, install again will be a little bit more in depth, so this is going to get a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and will take you about 3 hours to complete with the right setup. Now, I would recommend that you have a ball joint toolkit on hand. It's going to make your life a whole lot easier when it comes to the install. So that's going to wrap it up for my review on the DV8 Offroad replacement ball joint kit for the Dana 30 and Dana 44, fitting all 2007 to 2018 JK Wranglers. And remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.